What's up guys, in this video I will share the factors that you need to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so I will take you to different exchanges guys as we discuss the factors that you need to consider when choosing the exchange. Alright, so the first factor guys that you need to consider would be the reputation and the security of the exchange. So this is Binance. I actually use Binance for my crypto trading and they have really good security. So they have like OTP authentication, they have email authentication, they even have authenticators like Google Authenticator wherein you need to enter that 6-digit code before you can send out cryptocurrencies outside of your account. So next up would be Bybit. So they also have those types of authentication and there is BYDFi as well. So these are some of your well-known crypto exchanges that I feel would be really good to start up and do your trades, right? So the next factor that you need to consider are the trading pairs. Okay, so let's go on and check out Binance. Okay, so if we go to Binance guys and we go to trade, we go to spot. So they have different interfaces. For Binance, the trading pairs are on the right side, and as you can see here, that is for the Bitcoin trading pair. For the USDT, this is one of the most common pairs. All right, so you have a lot of crypto that you could choose from in there. All right, let's go to the Bybit exchange. It is up here. So if you go to spot guys here, you will see the trading pairs right here. So if you click on USDT, just like what we had with Binance, here are your different crypto that you could trade. There are tons of crypto that you could choose from. This is the best thing with well-known exchanges is they have a lot of crypto tokens that you could choose from. It's like a one-stop shop that you could conduct your transactions. So MEXC Global, let's go to the spot trade as well. Here, it's on the right side, just on top of me right here. Okay, there's also a lot of crypto tokens here. All right, so let's go ahead and check out crypto.com this time. So scroll up a little bit to zoom here right on the left side. And as you could see, there is also a ton of tokens that you could choose from. All right, so last one would be the BYDFi. So you have classic. Go ahead and click on that. Let's check them out as well. There are a lot of different tokens as well that you could choose for your transactions. All right, so the next one that you need to consider would be the trading fees and the limits of the exchange. These exchanges have different transaction fees. Now you can go ahead and do your own research so you can check to see if the exchange that you are using has the best rate compared to the ones that I am showing you. So BYDFi, you have crypto.com, MEXC, Bybit, and Binance. So I hope that you would also check them out and do your own research so you could get the best when you do your trade, especially if you are that person that really does a lot of trading. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, like you're scalping and you're a speculative trader. So you pay a lot of transaction fees and all those stuff. So you need to consider that and check them out. Okay, so the next factor guys would be the payment method and the availability of the payments. Like what are the payment methods that you could choose from? Like is there a credit card or is there like a bank-to-bank transfer or something like that? The P2P type of buying and selling. So let's go ahead and let me show you the one for Binance right here. So if you click on the trade, all right, if you hover your mouse on the trade and you click on P2P, depending on where you are, you will be able to conduct transactions like you could buy crypto, you could sell your crypto as well. And the fiat, guys, is the available currency that you could choose from. All right, so like if say for example, you have USD, right? So it's going to change that and turn that into USD, right? Payment, perfect money, all regions, you could go ahead and choose from depending on where you guys are. It changes the payment, right? Because like say for instance, in the Philippines, you have GCash, you have bank transfers. So it depends on where you are. So like say for instance, for Bybit this time, right? Let's go ahead and hover your mouse over the buy crypto, if you click on P2P trading, it will take you here where it's pretty much similar to what Binance have. And you could change it and change the currency to whatever currency you prefer, depending on where you are. All right. And then the payment method, you could choose from whatever payment methods you prefer. Okay. And what's good is they also have, like, say, for instance, in Binance, there is credit and debit card, right? Goes along with MEXC Global. You have crypto.com as well. So it depends on where you are on whatever payment method your crypto exchange has. Okay. All right. So the next one, guys, would be the user interface, right? So it depends on your preference, your personal preference. Like I myself uses Binance because I like the layout. All right. So you have a lot of different stuff in here. For Bybit, it's pretty much the same. Okay. So you click on spot trading. So you have the graph in here. So you have all the things that you need just by looking at it in here, right? So I like the way Binance and Bybit shows it. The other crypto exchanges, on the other hand, again, it depends on your personal preference. All right. So the next factor, guys, that you need to consider is the customer support. And in my honest opinion, this is one of the most important things. Majority of the time, it is on the bottom right of your screen. Like say, for instance, this is the landing page of Binance, right? And I want to contact support. It's this one right here. For Bybit, you have this one at the bottom right again, right? So MEXC, bottom right again. You have crypto.com. It's also on your bottom right, right? So majority of the time it is there. For BYDFi, it's also on your bottom right. So the bottom right of your screen. So always consider that as one of the most important things, because if you run into any issues, at least you have someone that you could chat and ask support from, right? And last but not the least, guys, is that you need to consider would be the regulatory compliance and geographic restrictions. Now, depending on where you are, it varies. So go ahead and do your own research. That way, you know what you need to comply with, what are the things that you need to know before you even start doing your trades. All right. All right. So I would just like to add, guys, one thing that I really like about the BYDFi exchange is that they have no mandatory KYC. So to protect your personal information, you only need to do your KYC when you want to buy your crypto using your credit card. Also, the futures trading that they have, guys, the maximum leverage that they have is 150x for US citizens. All right. Their social media links will be in the description of the video. Go ahead and do your own research. Check them out. They might be able to help you out with all of the things that you are doing when you are trading. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe. Click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.